I don't know, but I don't know. I need to figure out how to turn this shit off.
No, don't turn off PvP!
Oh my god.
No, don't turn it off!
How'd you die, Sam?
Bro, could you fucking defend me?
How'd you get down in the first place? Is what I'm asking.
So much. I'm fucked. I'm getting raped.
By whom?
I'm on a stake. I'm on a stake.
You're on a
God.
stick.
Hold on.
I'm actually on a fucking stake.
What does that mean?
No, I'm on a fucking. I'm like tied up like Jesus.
What? You're being crucified?
You're crucified?
I don't know. No, I'm in a camp. What the fuck?
Hold on, go towards Sam. No more
Is
arcade.
it on my stake?
Next one on arcade. Next one on arcade hates their mother.
Sam, there's like 14 cannibals.
Oh my god. Bye!
Oh my
Die,
God.
bitch! Die! Die! Die, bitch! Die!
Is there fucking spiders?
All chemo.
Die, bitch!
And there's miters in this game.
There's fucking tigers. What the fuck?
Um,
You stink fucking.
I'm in a cannibal camp. I'm in a cannibal camp.
Fucker, dude, he's like Devin.
I'm in a cannibal camp.
Meet these rocks.
Shit, Sam.
Hold on,
I'm gonna
bro.
upgrade.
Go fucking find Sam. And I'm
so
down.
far.
I'm down.
I don't fucking know.
I'm clicking tab, bro.
Just get these.
Okay, bro.
Hold on,
Oh, that's what I gotta do.
am.
I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook my food.
You're so ass, bro.
I
God
literally
damn.
cannot.
A survivor? Oh wait, I think it might be turning daytime soon. No, it's not. The fucking moon is still out.
How do I cook food?
Bro, okay, we
Ooh.
have to go out. We need a fucking target.
Fuck, sorry.
Stop fucking throwing rocks at me. Bro, we have to go.
Oh, I got
We
a
have
tarp.
to.
I got a tarp.
Oh! Put that shit down. Yeah. Oh! My fucking frames just dropped. Alright, put this shit down.
Oh.
This is
Please,
so cool.
someone.
This is so
Alright,
cool. This is
alright. Sleep.
Cooked leg.
Benny,
Get a bite of
go
this.
to
Then
bed.
Go to sleep.
Hold up, bro.
I'm gonna
cook
fucking
leg.
die of thirst.
Benny, go to bed!
Eating cook leg.
You can't even fucking.
Look how
move.
fucking stupid he is.
Leave me alone, dick shit. You're really black.
Yeah, so are you!
Oh, there we go.
Don't lie. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna save first, bro.
Oh yeah, fuck her save because Sam's a dumbass.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Bro.
You're the one who fucking.
Shut
bro,
up,
You guys are the
fat
one
ass.
who
I
fucking
don't
glitched
want
me.
to fucking hear you.
Bro, who is not sleeping?
It's Benny's little whale ass
Benny.
over there.
Why are you trying to go to bed?
Benny, maybe because it's fucking dark as fuck. And we can't see a fucking thing.
Wait, let me finish this and I'll go to bed.
Oh my
Oh my
fucking.
God.
I'm gonna kill your ass. Bro, look at his ass.
Back to another video. In today's video,
Alex!
Wow.
duplicate sticks, rocks, and other items.
Alright, Alex, get off of fucking YouTube.
Guys,
Oh shit, I broke it.
there's not even a fucking stick duplication glitch, so we're fucked.
There's not?
Act like
Oh,
those
you're
things
a
are
fucking
hard to
bitch.
come by.
Well, the sticks are actually pretty. But
You
what do got?
fucking glitched me, you stupid fucking moron.
Oh, we now have 2 sticks in our ass.
Bro,
Hold that shit for me, dumbass.
that's mine now,
Give
bitch.
it back!
No.
Bet.
If you want it back, you better say sorry.
Oh.
You're just an RK at heart.
We gotta get ready for the night. And then it's time to
Where
get
is
back
it?
up.
Where'd it go?
What?
The spear!
Oh, right here. Why?
Give it back!
I gave it. Check your inventory, you fucking moron.
Just
Oh, there you
put
are.
it in.
There you are.
Gloomy guy fart, come. Gloomy guy fart.
Ow, you fucking cunt.
Why did this hear a little summon too?
Alex really need to come back. Bro!
Wait, my time bombs are still gone? Oh no, nothing was loaded.
Res me, bro.
How'd you die?
All those fucking throwing shit at me!
Emo.
He's throwing fucking time bombs!
No, I threw a grenade in there. Hold on.
Dude,
You gotta get that nade back.
you're a fucking pussy.
Dude, my arm. Did you like throw it right now?
Yeah.
Oh my armor broke.
Believe again.
I can grab something for Chemo once he loads in.
No. No.
Sam, block this doorway.
watching it.
I'm throwing it in there as soon as Kimo Led's in.
I'm at 1 HP! What the fuck?
Alex died!
What the fuck? Stop hitting! Bro, I just took fucking meds!
Oh, ink.
Let me just take my fucking meds in peace.
Alright, fucking
I'm
grandma.
Oh, crossbow bolt. But you're fucking hitting the ground.
Kimo!
Whoa!
I need to get out of here, bro.
Why?
This shit is pissing me off.
Grenade out. Dirty D's done to cheap.
I fell to the map!
Oh my god. I'll leave. Before you die! Oh wait, you're dead. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh my god! He's
Stop
out of the map!
throwing grenades, bro. Stop throwing shit. Benny, stop. Print the fucking arrows. Just let me print the fucking arrows.
I gotta reconnect.
I'm not even gonna imagine what's below me.
Dude, it's so murky in this water.
Mark? Put your mom, Mark.
Please God, don't fucking let me die.
You're asking God for forgiveness.
Help!
You're asking
I got a gun! I can't get up,
Super
though.
Amy!
I can't get up. Oh! You have to go to the side and you have to hold down E. There's a gun on the boat.
Super Ammon.
I think there is.
Let me get up, please!
There's a fucking gun! Bah!
Stop, let me grab it. Dude,
Okay,
this
yeah, you don't have to fucking expect it.
Ow! Why did you shoot me?
Let's fucking go!
What do you mean don't? No one shot you.
Grab the locator,
How do I get up here?
Move, Kimo. Come on the side.
Bah!
Does it work? Hold up. Watch out.
Yes, it works!
Oh, it doesn't.
I'm
Shoot the
gonna
bird,
shoot
shoot
all
the bird.
The bird is fucking... Benny.
Move, fat ass. I'm trying to shoot the bird.
This shit is hard to fucking get on. They're gonna be more people. We're fucked. We're actually so dog.
Where's the shark?
I don't know. I want to just fucking pop that bitch though. We do not have any problem.
Alright, we have problems? Hold on.
I just got my ass.
Hold on, take one swift gander at this area over here.
Bro, I feel like a cop.
Where's he running?
That's got folded!
I feel like a cop. What do I do? Shoot these fuckers?
I saw him running on his bar and he just stopped.
No, oh my lord.
How big should that be? How big are
Benny, you have cannibals rolling up on you.
they? Where?
They're coming to you right now.
Where's he at?
They're fucking. They're mutants!
What do you think I killed?
Dumbass.
Holy shit, that's good. Dude, I was walking up to it and I was like,
All I see is two figures running towards you, Benny. That's all I saw.
oh my god, that scared the shit out of me, bro. I'm glad we have these shotguns.
Oh my god, dude. All I saw was just all I see was two figures run towards you, bro.
Dude.